Okay, Baju, did you have any assessment in the last class of power of lens? Could you please tell me? Sure. Maha, Galvin, Sumaya. Baju, why did you not take the assessment in the last class lens formula? Maha, Aisha, sorry, not Aisha, it's Sumaya and her Galvin. Please let me know. Maha, why did you not take the assessment?
So, after the class, I had went out, and then till I came
Assessment.
back, the timing just it
ठीक है,
finished.
ठीक है, ठीक है Sumaya. What about you, Galvin? Please let me know.
Sir, I didn't see the assessment. So.
Okay, so after this class, you'll be having an assessment based on the power of a lens. Okay. So, and by this chapter is done. Okay, 1 or 2 form questions we will do, and this chapter would be done. Okay. Okay, Aisha. Okay. ठीक है, Galvin. Okay. Okay, Gianna. So please, Gianna, like basically, give send a direct message to me instead of check. Just a second. Nabila, where did you at in which of the following question your marks got deducted, in the ray formation or in the, you can say, numerical
So the diagram.
diagram? That's why I was saying it's very important. Okay, so you
Yes,
have
sir.
to practice again and again. ठीक है अर्षित. Hello Riyan, assalamu alaikum. Am I audible? What happens to me? Is this question not clear to you?
We have to type the answer in the chat, right?
Okay. Yes, you have to give me the answer in the chat, deal. Okay, so this is one question here. Like this question was the part of Nabila's test. So I just wanted to share with all of you so that you can have at least the idea which type of questions, like you must have given the exams, right? So which type of questions can be there? Okay. So basically the concept will be same, only the difference would be the numerical values, right? Okay, everyone. Maha, Nabila, Sumaya, Gianna, Galvin, Aisha, and Rayan. Rayan, assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear? Arshad, clear, Biche?
Fine, sir.
Okay, that's great, Rayan. You did joined a little bit late.
Yes, sir.
Ryan, please switch on your camera, dear. Okay, so let's do this question first. Okay. Okay, I got it. ठीक है जियान. Okay. Okay. Okay, so is everyone done with the answer?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, sure. Okay, so let me write it down. So question is saying that this question consists of both the you can say concepts like lens formula as well as the power of basically power of a lens. So question is saying that height of the object is given to you as 4.2 mm. So height of the object is given to you as just a second. 4.2 mm, 4.25 mm, sorry. ठीक है, placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. ठीक है माँ, okay, 10 centimeter from a convex lens. So it means that the object distance from the convex lens would be -10 because it's in the on the left side. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, and
Yes, sir.
power of the convex lens is given to you as +5 diopter. ठीक है, and we have to calculate the focal length and size of the image h dash. Okay, so first of all, we can easily calculate the power focal length using the formula that is 100 by f in centimeter. Yes or no? Because as you can see that the distance basically all the distance are given you in centimeter. I will have to convert this into centimeters, but right now you can see this thing. Okay, so it would be, if I want to convert this into centimeters, so this would be 0.425 mm. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Because in 1 centimeter it's 10 mm, right? So according to the formula, I need focal length, so it would be 100 by p. So it is coming out to be 100 divided by 5. It is coming out to be 20 centimeter. It means that from this formula I got the answer as 20 centimeter. Clear, everyone? Rayan, Harshit, Gianna, Galvin, Sumaya, Aisha.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
that's
sir.
great. Okay, so now I can use the now I have the focal length, so I can use the lens formula to calculate the image distance, so that I can easily calculate the height of the object, right? Because I need somehow the height of the you can say what I was saying, either magnification or image distance, right? Because to calculate the height of the image, right? So it would be, formula would be 1 by f, 1 by v, positive u, 1 by v minus 1 by u, positive 1 by u. Yes, everyone. What should be the formula? 1 by u plus 1 by v plus 1 by u, 1 by v minus 1 by u. Which one?
-1 by u.
Minus 1 by u.
Minus 1 by u. Very good. So it is the lens formula. Okay. So 1 by 20 will be equals to 1 by v. I have to calculate negative of negative 1 by 10. So it became positive. So 1 by 20 is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by 20. So not 1 by 20, 1 by 10. Okay. So it would be 1 by v will be equals to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 10. So again, now you have the cross multiplication method. Minus 20 divided by 20 into 10. Okay. So it is coming out to be minus 10 divided by 20 into 10. This 10 will cancel this. So it is coming out to be minus 1 by 20. Okay, just give me a second. And this would be, so now I have, so to basically the value of v would be equals to negative of 20. So it means that the image is forming on the same side of the lens where the object is placed. As you can see this thing, that the focal length of the convex lens is 20 centimeter and the object is placed 10 centimeter. Okay, Okay. So just a moment. So it would be -20. Okay. So now as you can see, the image is forming on the same side of the object. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I have to calculate the height of the image. To calculate height of the image would be m will be equals to minus v by u or v by u. Which one? Magnification
Yes.
formula for lenses. Minus v by u or v by
H
u?
by H.
H upon h would be right.
V by U.
V by u. I want to ask
V by
in
u.
terms of image distance and object distance. That would be v by. Okay.
Minus V by U.
No, Rayan, it's v by u. Only v by u. It minus v by u is for mirror magnification. Okay. Okay, Rayan.
Yes, sir.
Check. Okay, so that would be v by u, and that would be equals to h dash by h. Okay. So as you can see, both the ratios, basically, just a moment. Both the ratios are equal, so I will be using v by u will be equals to h dash by h. So that would be v by u is v is minus of 20 divided by minus of 10 is equals to h dash divided by ये कितना हुआ आपका 0.425. ठीक है. This will cancel this twice. So if you multiply this thing, so h dash would be 0.425 into 2. So it is coming out to be what? So it would be 2 5 say 10, 1 carry 5 and 8. Okay. So in terms of centimeter, it would be this. In terms of mm, multiply this with 10, so it would be 8.5 mm. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this will be your answer. That's how you calculate. Is this clear to all of you? Please let me know. Please. Is this clear to all of you? Any doubt to anybody till now in this question?
So is it
Yes, sir.
important to turn the centimeter into mm?
Yes, Maha, what are you saying?
So is it important to convert the centimeter
No.
to mm?
No, like that's not mandatory, but as you can see, the height of the object is given to you in mm. So that's why I've converted again into the mm, so that it's easier for the invigilator or the teacher to take reference because it's given in mm. So that would be easier, right?
So, sir, how to do it, sir? From
Acha,
centimeter to.
take centimeter to Rayan, that would be nothing but you have to multiply with this. Multiply the centimeter into 10. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Into 10. So that's what will be 8.5 mm. Okay, Rayan?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, theek hai. So everyone, please do this question and then we'll start the new topic, that is yours, basically a new chapter, human eye. Okay. Any answer from anybody? Ryan, please mute yourself here. I got the first answer. Ryan, dear, please mute yourself. Okay, Galvin. ठीक है. Okay, I got the again. Okay, yeah, okay, Harshit. Okay, Aisha. Okay, Sumaya. Okay, everyone. Please answer fast. Okay, Maha. Everyone, please answer with positive. Like, if the answer isn't positive, that is fine. But if the answer of image distance is negative, so you have to give the answer in the along with the negative sign. Please keep things in mind because answering, like, basically sign matters a lot in this chapter. Okay. Okay, Harshit. Okay, so let's look at the screen, everyone. Those who are not able to solve, no worries. Please look at the screen and try to find out where you have made the mistake. Okay. First of all, the question is saying that you can say a bulb of 4 centimeter in height is placed at a distance of 45 centimeter from the concave mirror. Okay, having a focal length of 15 centimeter. So first of all, height of the object is given to you as 4 centimeter, and the question is saying that the object distance is given to you as 45 centimeters. So object distance will always be negative because we place the object on the left hand side of the mirror or lens. Clear? So that will always be negative. Okay? And the focal length would be negative 15 centimeter from the concave mirror. Concave mirror says negative focal length. Clear? I've told you that whenever you hear the word concave, so the focal length would be negative. Concave lens negative, concave mirror negative focal length. Clear? And for the convex, you have positive focal length for mirror as well as the lens. Clear, everyone? Clear? Yes or no? At least say yes or no. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's great. And so 1 by f. Now tell me the mirror formula first of all. Which 1 by v
plus 1 by u.
plus 1 by u. Very good. Plus 1 by u. Okay. So 1 by f is 1 by negative of 1 by 15 is equals to, we need to find the image distance. So that would be negative and negative of 1 by 45. Clear? So 1 by 45 will shift on the left hand side. So that would be 1 by V is equals to 1 by 45 minus 1 by 15. So again, cross multiplication works here. 15 into 1 would be 15, negative 45 into 1 would be 45, divided by 15 into 45 as the denominator gets multiplied with each other. Yes or no, everyone? So you get now negative 30 divided by 45 into 15. This will cancel this twice time, negative twice. So this is nothing but negative by 45. Okay. So I'm going to take the inverse of this V. So that would be negative 45 centimeter by 45 by 2 centimeter. It's mean that it is negative 22.5 centimeter. So you have to mention the sign. Okay. Those like in the chat, I have seen only one answer given by Harshit. That is in Harshit and yeah. So only Harshit has given the answer in the along with the negative sign. Everyone has given the answer in the with the positive sign. So please keep this thing in mind that answer you have to give the proper sign convention. Okay, while solving. M would be equals to, now here the magnification will be M V is equals to minus of V by U. Okay, is equals to H dash. अच्छा magnification निकालनी है आपको, so no need to worry. ठीक है, so that would be कितना हो जाएगा ये minus of minus 22 by 5. ठीक है, negative divided by negative of 45. ठीक है, this negative sign will cancel this and this 22 by 5 can cancel this twice. So this is nothing but 1 by 2. So the that would be half, negative of half. Okay, 0.5. Magnification would be 0.5. So clear everyone? Okay, so you have to mention the sign as well while solving this question. Clear everyone to all? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Those,
sir.
please let me know who got the answer, right answers, verify and share, raise your hand in the chat using the emoji. Okay, Rayan. Okay, Rayan, that's great. That's great. Rayan got the right answer. That's correct. Okay, what about rest of you, Bicho? Nobody did. Okay, I got one more. Okay, okay, acha, ठीक है. Harshit, one mistake was there. You have not mentioned the negative sign with the magnification. That
Yes,
was a
sir. The
mistake.
last.
ठीक है?
Yes. Okay.
Always mention. I'm requesting to all of you. Always mention the positive and negative sign properly in the at least in the light chapter. In the rest of the chapter, like human eye chapter is also important. In that, we have to use this everything like mirror formula, lens formula along with the power of a lens. Okay. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Please let me know once, Bacho. I'm requesting
Yes.
all of you. Do you have any doubt so far in this chapter, light chapter?
No, sir.
Clear? Sure.
Sir,
Hariyan.
the question is about mirrors. That for finding focal length or V or U, the formula will be 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U.
1 by U, yes.
And in the lens, it will be 1 by V minus 1 by U, right?
Yes, yes.
Sir, why is the focal length minus 15?
Focal length is minus 15 here because the concave mirror is a converging mirror. Okay, so this is the outer side of this mirror. The inner, just a moment. Yeah. Okay, so just a second. This is the outer side, so the reflection will happen in the inner side. Okay, so when the rays gets parallel, whenever the parallel rays is coming from the infinity to the principal axis, so this mirror will converge that ray towards the focus. So as you can see this thing that the pole, this is the middlemost point of the mirror is called pole. So we are here standing at the pole, which is the origin, right? So we have to calculate every distance from the pole. So we will be going in the left direction. So direction of light is this, but we are going in this direction. This is positive direction. So this would be automatically be in negative direction. So that's why focal length for the concave mirror is negative. Clear, Rayan?
Yes, sir. And in lens, focal length will be positive, right?
No, focal length would be negative, na? I've told you na. And in the left, it would be negative, and in the right, it would be positive. Okay? So this is all about this chapter. So now we are done with the light chapter, right? So the next chapter, like it took almost 3 to 5, 6, like 7 classes. It took almost 7 classes to get complete. Okay. So the chapter is human eye. Okay, please, I'm requesting to all of you, please let me know if okay, I'm basically giving you 2 options. Just a moment. Let me check. There is a poll option in the where it is. I think there is a poll option in the I'm not able to find where the poll option is. So let it be. I'm saying that I'm giving you 2 options. Okay. So first one is human eye. Second is electricity. Okay. Please raise your hands, those who are in the favor to start the human eye. Okay. Again. Okay. It seems like everyone is in the favor to except 2. Okay, except 1. Galvin, are you not in the favor of human eye?
No.
No. Why so? So you are the only one who is not in the favor. Okay, so obviously majority wins, Calvin. There is no scope for the electricity right now. Okay, so like do you which chapter is currently going on in your school, Calvin?
So we just started human and the colorful world today.
Human eye?
And the colorful world we just started it
Acha, acha.
today.
ठीक है.
Just started.
ठीक. चलो ठीक. So it means that would be fine if the human eye is going in your school itself. That will help
Yeah.
you.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
Just a moment. Why am I checking? Okay, so this chapter we are okay. Let's start with this chapter, that is human eye and colorful world. Okay, everyone, please lower your hands as my video goes out of the box. Sumaya and Rayan, please lower your hands. Chalo, that's great. Now it's fine. Well, I have to pin my video so that it keep on top. Okay, so this chapter. Again, so first of all, let's talk about the human eye. That is like, it seems like a little bit biology chapter, but yeah, human eye have physics with it. Okay, so first of all, human eye. So let me paste the picture of the human eye. How does it look, and what are the different factors or different components of our eye? So how many of you are going to take the biology in the 11th class, medical stream? Any idea? Like anybody? Oh, who is Maha and Nabila? Okay. Okay, so rest of you are going with other streams, right? Chalo, okay, that's good. But you have to be very, you can say, what I was saying, how you have to be very consistent. As you can see, this thing, 89 students got in the NEET exams. 89 students got like 100% marks, 720 out of 720. So if you are going to take the NEET, so be prepared. You are going to face a lot of competition from 11th onwards. Okay. So how many of you heard that got the new heard this news that NEET has 89 toppers on Air 1? Anyone? Like those who are preparing for NEET? No one. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है, sir. So okay, so let's start this thing. So this question, so basically this is the human eye. Okay, so in this chapter, we have to study the function of human eye. What are the functions of the different components of the human eye? Okay, everyone. So this is the like simplest diagram, because, and one more thing, in the exams, there would be a 5 marker. Majority of chances are there would be a 5 marker asking you to draw the well-labeled diagram of human eye and mention the various functions of its component. 5 marker, straight 5 marker, copy pasted question. Draw a well-labeled diagram of human eye and mention, or you can say describe, the various functions of the human eye. Okay. In the functions, you have to explain every component function. What does ciliary muscle do, and what is the use of iris, cornea, retina, blind spot, optic nerve, all of that, right? So straightforward 5 marker. Okay. So let's understand. So as you can see this thing, this is the human eye. So the most outer layer side is called cornea. The most outer layer side, it's a very kind of film on our eye. Okay. It's a very, you can say, it's a transparent film. Okay, so it acts as a, you can say, refracting surface. Most of the light refracts from this cornea itself. Clear, everyone? Okay. I will write down all the things. No need to worry. I will give you all the things. What are the functions in the written notes? Just a moment. Harshit, इसको आप draw कर लो, rough hand draw कर लो. You can.
Okay, sir.
Like because if you draw it properly, so you can take the screenshot and after that you can draw, because this type of question will be there in your boards, 5 markers. Okay. Okay, so directly let's start with the functions itself. Okay. Okay, so first of all, let's understand the function of iris. Iris is this. So iris is the component that controls the amount of light entering our eye. It controls the amount of light that is entering into our eyes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Entering the eyes. Okay. So this is the first function of the iris. Here it
Sir,
controls
do we
the.
have to write this?
Yes. These are the functions, dear. This would, like, after drawing this, you have to write down these things in your exams. Okay. Second would be basically pupil and iris are interconnected to each other. Pupil and iris. This is pupil and this is iris. They are interconnected. They basically are dependent on each other. Okay. The iris is responsible for the size of pupil. It adjusts the size of pupil. Clear? Next is pupil. Okay. Just a moment, actually my pen got stuck. Okay, so pupil is nothing but, you must have seen there is a black hole in our eyes. Have you ever observed that thing? There is a black hole in our eyes, small black hole. Yeah. So that is nothing but the pupil, okay, of the eye. Okay. So pupil basically adjusts its size according to the amount of light that is entering into our eye. If the light is very large, if the amount of light is very large, so the pupil pupil will shrink, so that the light rays will be controlled. Okay, the proper adequate amount of light will enter instead of like unlimited amount, right? And if you say that thing, if you're going in a very dark room, so what you have to do, you have to basically open your eyes in a very large manner, right? Yeah, so that you can easily see what is there in front of you. Okay. So when you enter into the, you can say the dark room, the pupil will adjust the size accordingly and it will get enlarged. Okay. So that more light enters and you can see the proper, you can see the surrounding properly. Okay, everyone. So yeah, if the light is large,
Sir,
yes, Shit, bolo.
so sir, you are saying that there is no numerical in this chapter, just theory part
No,
only.
no, न्यूमेरिकल है, वो न्यूमेरिकल वही है जो आपने लाइट चैप्टर में किया है, बस उसको आप आई के कॉन्सेप्ट में इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा. न्यूमेरिकल्स एज इट इज कॉपी पेस्टेड है, ठीक है, एज इट इज पावर ऑफ लेंस आएगा, एज इट इज आपका लेंस फॉर्मूला आएगा, ठीक है.
So sir, like formula यही सेम यूज करना
हाँ
है
हाँ,
हमें
फॉर्मूला ये
निकालने.
रहेगा. हाँ, फॉर्मूला ये रहेगा बच्चे, ठीक है, फॉर्मूला ये रहेगा, कुछ न्यू नहीं है इस चैप्टर में. बस हम लोग अब आई के मतलब बेसिकली जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करेंगे लेंस फॉर्मूला के, दैट विल बी ऑन द आई ह्यूमन आई, ठीक है, बस ये डिफरेंस है. अब हम थोड़ा
Okay,
रियल
thank
वर्ल्ड की तरफ इस चैप्टर में रियल वर्ल्ड पे फोकस किया जाएगा, ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
बाय द आई, then the, so as you can see, iris and pupil are interconnected, they are dependent on each other. Okay, so the iris contracts the pupil, sorry for the bad writing, but actually it's a little bit slip, writing pads got little bit slippery, so that's why. Okay, and reduces the amount of light. Okay, after this class, there is an assessment of power of a lens. So after this class, go and check out without any, you can say, delay. Okay, so that you can at least experience what kind of questions will be there. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next is if the light amount of light is very low, is very small. Okay. So the iris expands. The pupil. So that more light enters. The eyes. Everyone, can I take a 1 minute pause because actually it's azan right now. So if you can
Yes,
allow
sir.
me. Okay, thank you so much, dear. Is it okay? So I'm just taking 1 minute pause, not more than that. Okay, I'm not going anywhere. Just I'm here. Okay, so let's resume. So the question, next thing is that, okay. So next, just a moment. Next thing is the ciliary muscles. So ciliary muscles are responsible for the, you can say, for holding the lens, eye lens. Okay, ciliary muscles holds the eye lens in the proper shape. Okay. Clear? So this is the major function of the. Next is pupil is done, islands. So islands. Again. So islands, what does a lens do? So basically it refracts the coming light. It basically refracts, yes or no? It converges the coming light from outside. Yes or no, everyone?
So
Yes,
that
sir.
means the ray of light goes inside our eyes.
Obviously, Arshad, that is the main thing that we are able to see the world. Refraction and reflection, both are happening in our eye. If you are able to
Okay, sir.
see the world, that is due to the reflection. And if the light is entering into the eye, that is due to the refraction. Okay. So that's
Okay.
why you can see this, how important is this, like these phenomena are. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So islands and refracts on the.
So can you repeat the last third line? If the amount of light received
If
is
the amount of light is smaller, the iris expands and the pupil, okay, expands the pupil so that more light may enter the eye. Okay. Eyelids refracts the light rays on the retina. So basically it refracts, or it basically directs the retina. Retina is the focus of our eye. Okay. What if you want to basically when you will study the defect of eye, you will get to know that retina is the focus of the human eye. Okay. This is the point at which the light rays, the reflected light rays intersect. Okay. Next is what is left here, and ciliary muscles of retina. Retina is a kind of screen on which image is formed. Okay. Next is cornea. So cornea is the outermost layer, and basically most of the refraction happens at this point. That maximum 65 to 85% of light refracts through cornea. Then remaining percentage of light is refracts through eye lens. Clear, everyone? Cornea is the human eye and light occurs here, that is 65 to 85%. Okay. Clear everyone? And what is left is left is islands for the aqueous humor.
Sir,
Yes, Maha.
what is 65% to 85%?
Basically, that this refraction, the amount of refraction of light that is happening at cornea. Okay. It means that suppose 100% light rays are coming, so that 65 to 85% of light rays will refract at the cornea, and the remaining light will refract at the lens. Okay. Like the cornea is the outermost, so that's why the refraction happens. That is the like basically due to this cornea, maximum amount of light enters, because it suppose that light rays are coming straight, because as we have studied, this light rays are coming straight. So when the refraction happens, okay, so this is a kind of cornea. So you can see this thing, light rays are getting convergent, getting closer to each other. It means that more amount of light will enter into the eyelids. Okay, so it means that the more clear image will be formed. Okay, so that is the reason. Clear, everyone? That is aqueous humor.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
Yes. Oh, Galvin, you are saying something?
No, sir.
Take it. So aqueous humor. Sure, just a minute. Okay. So aqueous humor basically keeps the eye in the proper shape. Nourishes the eyelids. And keeps the eye inflated.
As there is
Bolo
what
bachcho.
blood supply
Yes, Nabila, you are saying something?
uh, in cornea as there is
No blood supply.
yes,
Okay, so there is no blood supply. So aqueous humor works as the like basically nourishes the lens and the cornea. So the same work is for the vitreous humor. Shazil, dear, please wait for 2 minutes only, dear. Okay.
Yes, okay, sir.
Just it's about to end. The vitreous humor provides nutrients to your eye, to the eye, and it helps, basically it sticks the retina to the back of the eye. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the function of I. Okay. The remaining part are not necessary. You can see now blind spot, optic nerve. No, this is enough. Okay. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Please let me know once. Is there any doubt so far? To
Yes,
anyone?
sir.
Clear, all of you? Maha, Galvin, Nabila, Rayan,
Yes, sir.
Gianna, Sumaya,
Yes,
Aisha,
sir.
Yes,
and
sir.
Harshit. Chicken. Chalo, that's great. Okay. So, okay. So after this class, go and check out the assessment of the power of a lens. Okay. And in the next class, we will study about the power of accommodation. Basically, what is a minimum, like basically the, you can say what I was saying. The minimum distance of basically this vision. Okay, so these are the topics that is here, and we'll study about the defects of eye, range of vision, normal human eye, and all these things. Okay, so we'll start the defect of eye. Majorly, this lies basically in the major your defects of eye portion. Okay, so defects of eye portion is very important. Okay, so please don't miss the class. Okay, I'm requesting to all of you, and please revise before coming to the class. At least half an hour gives for the revision. Okay, so that's all for this class, everyone. Okay, so you may leave the class, and thanks so much for joining the class and giving me your time. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah
Thank
Hafiz.
you,
Good
sir.
night. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Bye.
Sir,
Yes, Rian.
sir, can you show the screen? I have
अच्छा
to
अच्छा
write.
ठीक अच्छा अच्छा ठीक ठीक कहाँ से दिखाना मुझे
So that which is human last one.
अच्छा ठीक ठीक Okay, Shazil. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear? Shazil? Shazil, are you there?
Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. How are you? I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
I'm good, sir.
That's great. Okay,
Yes,
how's your
sir.
exams, Shazil? How's your exams?
It's okay, sir.
Okay or good?
Not very good.
Not very good. Okay, marks. Did you get the marks?
Yes, sir.
Science. How was your
Yes,
score?
sir.
Thank
It
you, sir.
was.
Okay, Rayan. Thank you so much, dear. Welcome. Bye bye. Walaikum salam. Yes, Shadil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me now. How was your exams now? Please switch on your camera, dear. I'm just sharing my screen again to you.
1 second, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, it's been almost it's more than a month, right? You have
Yes, sir.
taken the class in I think so April. April. That the last class was in April. Around Eid, maybe,
Yes,
or
sir.
after Eid.
After it, we had class.
Okay, after Eid. So it's been like around 1.5 months.
Yes, sir. 1.5 months.
चलो ठीक है.
Sir.
Shadil. Shazil, क्या हुआ बच्चे? What happened?
Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ? Any problem?